name is Trish, and we're going to do a dog trick with my dog Max. And what we're going to do is do two tricks. So, Max, sit. Okay, now we're going to do black bear. Okay. Black bear. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to my videos. Don't forget to hit like. Thank you for watching.